Hello everyone, it is Susan. Welcome to my channel. Today I got my package from Poland. So I had ordered from Poland from an Etsy shop. Oh gosh, when was it? Maybe like the 20th of December. And when I look in Etsy to track the package, it has said ever since, December 22nd that it's been sitting somewhere since December 22nd. So I'm like, oh my gosh, it's sitting in customs, whatever. I'm like, oh, well, I'm just going to wait, right? What else can I do? And all of a sudden it shows up in my mailbox. So I'm a happy camper. And what I ordered was two slow stitch kits, as well as an order of pieces of laces. So I haven't opened it, but it's from Poland. Look at, which is kind of cool because, well, I have relatives in Poland. So super exciting. I just want to make sure I don't cut anything that I shouldn't. And I'm going to save this bag as ephemera for some project, right? All right, so let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at how beautiful. So one of the kits was all about the pink, and then the other one is orange and yellow. So we'll go through them. So the name of the shop is I Made It. I say Atelier is the name of her Etsy shop. And believe it or not, the prices were really very, very, very good. So that's why I really decided to go with ordering and give it a try. And now that I know that the Etsy shop doesn't necessarily update, like, I would definitely order from her again. Oh my gosh. So this package has 90 pieces, 90 pieces of laces. Oh my gosh, isn't it awesome? Oh my gosh, like really? Oh my gosh. Oh, oh wow. Like, oh my gosh, like look at how beautiful. Oh, it's so dainty and delicate. So anyway, like just look at this stuff, right? Just well worth it. And it was not expensive. I don't remember what it was, but it was not expensive. I don't know. I want to say maybe, I don't know. I can't even tell you how much it was. I don't know. But anyway, so well worth it. I'm super happy about that. I'll end up putting these in my bin of all my like little pieces of stuff. And let's take a look at the smaller kit. So look, she puts a little extra piece, it looks like, in the back, because it's the same with this one. There's a little extra piece. Okay. I'm like so excited. I can't wait to use this stuff. I like the way she packages it. It's nice and sturdy. Like I can barely bend this cardboard. Okay, so remember it is a slow stitch kit. So it's pieces that you can put together on any fabric, like any base, foundational base, and make up your own slow stitch. So like, look at how pretty. I'm just going to lift up the pieces. So we have appliques. Oh, like I wonder if she did these. Like, are these embroidered? Got some pieces that are cut out from something. I'm going to say I bet you she made these. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. And of course, I'm all about the pink. The beautiful thread. Pretty lace. A little bow. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And that is embroidered. I'm going to say maybe she didn't do that and maybe cut something bigger up. Maybe. I don't know. Let's keep looking. Oh, there's a little bag with buttons and some little beads. Oh my gosh, I just love the colors. Oh, and she has what is this called? Something ribbon. Embroidery ribbon, I believe it's called. And in fact, I ordered a bunch of this online, which I should be getting soon, but I don't have any of this. This is actually the first embroidery ribbon I've ever had. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Nice solid little like pale pink. Look at, woo woo, look at how gorgeous. So anyway, so this is, oh look, she sewed that. That's so cute. She yeah, so well worth it. I will leave the link to her. Look at how beautiful that is. I'll leave the link to her Etsy shop below. If you don't mind waiting, I guess, was it 2 weeks? 8. I'd say about 2 weeks, maybe even a little bit less. Well worth it. And then this is the bigger slow stitch kit. It was really hard to decide. I have to tell you, it was very difficult for me to decide what I was going to order because she had really nice stuff. So some embroidery thread. Look at, oh my gosh. Like I figure like when it comes like, I want to say April, that's when I'm working on this kit, when it's time to start really working with some really bright and happy colors and pieces. Oh, look at this. That, I have to tell you, I think she made that. And it's almost like with a rope. Because it's hard. I don't think that's tatting, right? Is that tatting? It might be. Or it might just be embroidery. Oh, look at, oh my gosh. Wow. I have to tell you, wow, that's all I can say. These pieces are gorgeous. And we have a little piece of fabric. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is a whole linen hanky, I would say. Look at, oh my gosh. I really, you know, I could be way wrong, but I think she did a lot of these things. Look at how gorgeous that piece is. This is cut out from something. Pretty piece. I think that's cut from a bigger piece as well. And oh, some more. See, I never should have ordered the, what I did on, for the embroidery ribbon. I should have never ordered it because now I have like all these beautiful colors. What else? Oh, we have a little pin and we have some more trim. Oh gosh, can you imagine this on a slow stitch piece? How gorgeous is that going to be? It might even be a little bit hard for me to use some of this stuff because I think it's so very pretty. So very pretty. Oh my gosh, this is embroidered. Oh gosh. I will be ordering from her again for sure. For sure. Absolutely. Okay, so there's a little bag, there's a little embroidered piece, there's a Polish stamp, a little flower, a few different buttons, 4 different buttons at least. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So now I'm even kind of thinking, I wonder, you know, I'm doing the Roxy challenge for 6 months, you know, where we're working on the on a stitchery book. Gosh, this would be really nice for that. Look at how beautiful that is. That's unusual because, so this is like double fabric and that's like single. I don't know that I've ever seen fabric like that before. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And this is the last piece. Look at how beautiful. I'm wondering if I should use this for the Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. I don't know. What do you guys think? You let me know. Gosh, it sure would be pretty, wouldn't it? Wow. Okay, so anyway, so that's all of the amazing fun stuff. And like I said, I'll leave her link below. If you can wait, I guess it was a couple weeks for something to arrive, then I can highly recommend her. It's not going to come in a few days. But I gave it a try and I'm happy. So thank you so much for being here. Let me know if you have any questions and I will be back. Well, if I put this video out on Thursday, I'm going to be having an announcement for a new open collaboration with a couple of my YouTube friends, and that video will be coming out tomorrow, Friday, what's the date, 7th? I don't know. Yeah, January 7th. So watch for tomorrow. A video for a new open collaboration for January. Okay, bye-bye everybody. God bless.